It's 2026 and Midjourney is changing. Version 8.1 has been released, some tools have been upgraded, and you're probably wondering how to stay on top of this in order to continue to master Midjourney and get the results you're after. Now, because of this, I've taken my Comprehensive Midjourney course that takes you from beginner to advanced Midjourney user, and I've updated it for 2026 with version 8.1. As I've mentioned, many of the tools have been upgraded, so I've gone through and updated those tutorials, combing over every single lesson, checking it against midjourney.com, and re-recording where I've needed to, and updating areas. And so now you get the most up-to-date Midjourney information out there in order to master this powerful AI platform. Now, one of the things that really surprised me while I was going through this process was the fact that a lot of the techniques I teach in this course have stood the test of time. The concepts and the ways to think about creating images in Midjourney are still pretty much the same today. It's just the tools that are changing, and therefore we're trying to keep up with how we use these tools and how to best implement them into our workflow. That's why in this course, we start simple. We show you how to use these tools. Also, some of the tools you may not even know exist. And then we go a little bit deeper and find out how to use them to the best degree, how to get the best results from them. But beyond that, there are certain ways you can combine some of these tools that you may not be aware of to get really mind-blowing results when generating images in Midjourney. Now, I've taken my 20 years of experience as a graphic designer and I've applied it to the lessons as well, so that way you're not only getting the how-tos on how to use an AI tool, but you're understanding images better. You're understanding what works best, and also how to prepare your images for things like printing, how to sharpen them up, how to upscale them. I've got so much information in this course. It really is an ultimate resource for anyone who wants to learn Midjourney and master AI image generation. But I don't just stop there. I go beyond Midjourney with certain tools you can use just outside of the platform to really take your results to the next level. Now, as I've mentioned, this is a comprehensive update. This is something that I do with this course regularly as I go through, make sure everything is still up to date and usable, and I update those lessons. That means that in the future, I'm going to continue to keep all of the lessons in this course updated. So if you sign up now, you get lifetime access, and you'll be able to access that forever, and you won't have to pay again to watch any of these videos. But if you really want to get more value for your money, then I actually have something called my Everything Pack, which means if you purchase that pack, you get access to every single product on my store, and it actually includes future products that aren't released yet. This is why every time I release a new product, I increase the price of that Everything Pack. So by grabbing that, you actually get all my future products for free. So there's a lot of great value for money if you like the way I teach and the way I present things, or any of the other products that I've released in my store. So if you're keen to check this out for yourself, head to store.creatorimpact.com and you'll see my course there on the homepage. Otherwise, there is a link below if you want to access it there. But I want to finish by giving you guys a big thank you. There is no pressure to buy this course. If you already own the course or the Everything Pack, you can go in and check out these updates right now. But I want to thank all of you for your support, which has allowed me to continue to create YouTube videos on AI as my full-time job, and making it possible for me to create a course like this. Without you guys, none of this would be here. So thank you for your support. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. And I'll be back soon with some high-quality Midjourney videos.